Hey, what's up guys? I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you how to make an epic potion because this will improve your digging stats by 25%. Yeah, that's right. That's a lot, especially if you have something like a Shroomite digging clock. Oh, hello penguin. Yeah, let's get into this tutorial. You will need 1 bottled water, 1 antlion mandible, and 1 blink root. To get a bottled water, you will need 1 glass to craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To craft those bottles into bottled water, you will need to stand in any type of water of any amount and craft bottled water in the potion section. To get an antlion mandible, you will need to kill some antlions in the desert. Hello. Yeah, who likes digging? If you do, write down in the comment section below what you like digging the most. To get a blink root, you will need to usually find that in growing on plain dirt and mud in the underground area. You can also make a blink root farm by placing a bunch of dirt in the underworld. As you can see, here's the mining potion. Consumable, increases mining speed, and has a 5-minute duration. You craft this on an alchemy station. To craft an alchemy station, you simply place a bottle on any type of workbench. An empty bottle, by the way. Not just any old water bottle. So, let's find a nice flat area to gauge how fast I'm digging. If you want, you can play this back and see how much faster I dig, because it's hard to tell for me. I don't know why. It's probably quite obvious. I might replay the video myself, actually. Here's a nice place, just flatten that out. And yeah, start digging. And yeah, it's obviously really fast still. Overkill. That's right. You drink the potion? I mean, it's definitely faster, according to the stats of at least. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really loved it, please be sure to subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the GamePro232 teaching you how to make a mining potion, and I'm out. See you later, folks.